We had a basement flood. And it shut off the hot water heater. Maybe the heater, I don't know. It was one of the hoses from the washer. And as a result, and we long ago had the plug closed because of backups. So we're now waiting for the flood people to come and help us out. As you can see, at least a couple of inches, which got into the storage room and the living room and the bathroom. Do you want to film anything in your room for insurance purposes? If we get insurance for this?
Oh, we get insurance for it? The only thing that got messed up is my power cord got flooded.
You've got a book there. Huh?
Dad, I know what's in the water.
You know what's in the water. Oh, and Kat's room is, so far, it's probably all under the rug. And she got everything up. But all of the stored magazines might have to be thrown out.
Well, that's the only good thing about this is that we can finally throw away some crap.
We have to be throwing away a lot of crap. I'm worried about the freezer. I don't know if the compressor got wet. The plug is clearly in the water.
So we're going to have to tear up all the carpet and everything?
Yeah, I'm sure we're going to have to get rid of a lot of this stuff. It's all sitting in water. And even these bookshelves, these are not real wood. That wood will rot, and so the bookshelf has to go. Otherwise, it will just eventually collapse. And the books on the bottom shelf look like they all got wet too. So, lots of stuff will have to be thrown out. Oh well. Spring cleaning in the fall.
So we're going to do like that.